The major difference that puts the FX40 above other AFMs is that it uses automated robotics and enhanced features for the entire process of AFM imaging preparations. The new research AFM incorporates robotic features commonly used only for industrial AFMs. First, the chip carrier that holds the tip is picked up from the plug slots to the AFM head. Then the AFM head uses the motorized steering mirror to align the SL spot from the cantilever to the photo detector. After optimizing the photo detector position, the AFM head moves to the targeted XY position of the sample. Finally, the Laser Autofocus module finds the vertical position of the sample and approaches the surface of the sample. All these steps are automated, therefore you can complete all imaging preparations without manually handling the AFM. Tedious AFM preparation processes and preparation mistakes are minimized in the FX40.